Hi everyone, my name is Steph, this is Kidlit Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box of goodies from a publisher and I had a quick sneaky peek just to figure out which publisher it was because it's come from our book distribution centre. The publisher is Alison and Unwin and I'm very excited to see what they have sent me in this box because this box is not little. It's not a little box. But yes, this box contains books for kids, middle fiction and young adult readers, so I'm very excited to get into it. Alrighty, okay. So, oh, there's quite a few things in here. This is exciting. Let's see, what have they got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Okay, so the first two books in here are some baby board books. So Aussie Babies, First Words, Dinner Time, and also Bedtime, which is exciting. I'm looking forward to reading these because then I will probably be passing them on to my niece who is just starting to learn words. So she is just over 18 months old now. Very timely. Also, she loves books and the board books, very useful. What else is in here? Oh, okay. There is The Thylacine and the Time Machine by Renée Treml, who is an author that I absolutely adore. This is a graphic novel and I'm really loving the color palette inside. So this is a time-traveling story with Violet and her dog Tassie. They are accompanied by the ghost of the last Tasmanian tiger and it's all about learning about the thylacines and sort of how and why they've gone extinct. The thing I love about Renée Treml's graphic novels is that they always have a really great story, but they also have really amazing facts and kids love them. So this, I can't wait to get into. All right, something else that is super exciting is the next book in Reece Carter's Elston Fright series, which is a middle grade fantasy series. It is The Lost Notes of the Soul Spinners. I'm so excited to read this. I just can't wait to be back in this world with these characters. I mean, it's middle grade March. I'm gonna have to read this month. Then there is a young adult fantasy. Hi everyone, so I misread the title the first time I read this. It is Blood Moon Bride by Demet, Divaroren. This is exciting as well. So this is an Australian author. I think I've read at least one of her books before. It's also been blurbed by Isabel Carmody, C.S. Pacat and Lily Wilkinson. So I can't wait. I don't know all that much about it. I did see it being advertised as coming out soon. Look at this cover. This is great. All right, and then some picture books. There is Stories from Magic Beach, which is the book of the Robert Connolly film based on Alison Lester's classic. So I do own a copy of Magic Beach. Is it here? There it is. Let's grab it. So this is Magic Beach, which is kind of an Australian classic staple book. And this is the book based on the film. This is going to be so fun to dive into because it's all told in different art style formats and as a little graphic novel, I think. So that's exciting. When was Magic Beach first published? First published in 1990, because I remember this as a kid growing up, because that was right around the age when we started having picture books, so I know I read it. And then the last book, box is empty now, so we can get rid of that, is a book that I'm truly excited to read. It is Volcano by Claire Saxby and Jess Racklyeft. They have written and collaborated on a couple of books before, Iceberg and Tree. And when I tell you, their books are just amazing. So this is an exploration of an underwater volcano. I can't wait to read it. Like I think I'm gonna have to stop and read it tonight because when I saw that this was coming out, I was like, please send this to me because I really want to read it. Oh my gosh, I'm really lucky. This is a lovely stack of kids books for me to read this month and I can't wait. I'm so excited about it. So thank you to Ellen and Unwin for them. I genuinely just want to dive into all of them now. I had plans and now my plans have to change. So I will leave a list of these titles and the authors down below. So if you want to check out more information, you can, as well as Ellen and Unwin's website where you can find out all of the information that you need to know. All of these books, now where'd my little sheet go, come out on the 1st of April, which does give me a good couple of weeks to read them, which is probably a good thing. In the comments, I'd love to know if you've read these authors before or if you're planning on picking up some of these books. Feel free to let me know down below. Otherwise, feel free to leave a book stack emoji. I hope that wherever you're on the world, you're staying safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everyone.